Good evening again mga kabowlers. So, we're here for episode 6, unboxing NBA bowlers. So, last episode we got Jason Tatum rare. Oops.
Now you got Asher.
Yeah, got the first rare, Jason Tatum. So, hopefully we'll get Sleeping Curry and LeBron James. LeBron James, 2 rare. So, let's go. And yeah, I got it from Walmart. I missed it last time, I think. I missed the last one. So, pampaswerte. And here we go. Oh, it's just 2. So, common. It's a common. Laki lang. Pulot. Pulot. Mukhang Jason Tatum na naman to ah. Come on.
Saan ba yung kulot?
Yes, so.
Ikaw.
Pink shoes? No, it's a different one. Oh, it's LaMelo Ball! Woo woo!
You don't have that yet?
Yeah, I don't have this one yet. It's LaMelo Ball. Of the Charlotte Hornets. LaMelo Ball. I got only one. So, yep.
How many do you want per day?
30.
Per day?
Oh, no.
That's why. How many do you want per day?
Yeah, I'm lucky I got one today. So, thanks, love. Yep, there you have it. The LaMelo Ball of the Charlotte Hornets. So, see you on the next episode. Peace out.